Today we're going to learn how to install the CoWriter and Snap and Read extension in Google Chrome. We're going to start by opening a new window in Google Chrome. You can side click and open new window or just double click. When your new window pops open, we're going to navigate to these three dots in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and click on those three dots. Now we're going to go down to this menu to More Tools. Then it generates this sidebar. We're going to click Extensions. Here are all of my extensions that you can see. I have CoWriter downloaded on my computer, so it is toggled on. You all should see this same dialog box, and you're going to toggle it off or from off to on, and it should show blue when it's on. Down here is Snap and Read. This is a text reader. So if it is toggled off, showing gray, you're going to click it so it's blue and toggled on. Here's the icon for Snap and Read. It's a little crosshairs. And then the icon for CoWriter is a little speech bubble. So now up here on the top of my computer, I see the same icons. And you can see when I put my cursor over it, it reads Snap and Read and CoWriter. These little red dots means that the program is an extension that's on my computer, but it is not turned on. So what I will do is sign in. And students will use their Google sign-ins. Go ahead and sign in with Google. Pick your account. Now you can see it turned blue. This means it's active and on. Here's CoWriter. Since I signed in with Snap and Read, it already knows. So here's my name, and we can toggle it on. Our Options button shows this gear. We're going to go here to personalize CoWriter and Snap and Read. I will show you how to do this in our next video.